Alright, so we're out again. Nagpahinga kami ng mga 45 minutes sa hotel. Pagod kami dun sa Lalaport. So now we're going to Yatay stalls. Yung mga street food doon sa may river. So doon kami papunta. And another cute bar here. Nilakad kami papuntang Yatay. Ano meron dito? Ito. Ang dami mga tiny, maliliit na bars doon sa loob. Oh. Nice. Air the bar. Sobrang cute ng pink car na yun. Ito cute din, oh. Cute na itong lemon. Sobrang daming ganito dito. Talaga na, mga cutesy-cutesy. Patuwa. Ushio. Ano naman tong Ushio? Masyala-syala naman kainan to. The One by Oak Villa. A whole new world. Nice. Ayun na yung Canal City, oh. Famous yun dito, eh. Yung Canal City na yan. And then, ayun river. I think it's the Nakasu River. Yeah, it is the Nakasu River. So, andyan yung mga Yatay stalls. Ayun na sila. Yun na yung mga stalls, oh. Yeah, that's where we're gonna eat dinner. It's like we're in Vegas, no? But a different vibe.
Yeah, Vegas
No?
was clean.
Yeah.
A lot cleaner.
Yeah, a lot cleaner, no?
Mm.
And smelling good. It's like also Osaka, no?
Yeah.
Ayun na, I'm so excited. Ayun na yung mga stalls. This is the river. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. Ito na ang mga stalls. Oh my gosh. I'm making a video. Ito na ang mga stalls, Dad. Okay, where's my phone? You need to take a video.
Get out.
Pipili tayo. Video mo dito. Pipili ako dito. On the river, no? Yan yung mga Yatay stalls.
姫さん座れますよ。
Let's check muna what we want. We can just go back. Let's check first what we want, and then we can go back for what we want to eat.
どうぞご案内いきますよ。はい、どうぞ。はい、どうぞ、2名さんどうぞ。
Ito, madami pa naman eh. Ito, they're lining up, oh. Oh, okay. Ano meron dito? Parang ang dami pumipila. Mukhang masarap dito.
Ito yung hanga ya.
ラーメン、焼きラーメン、チヂ餃子、牛タン、牛下がり、焼き鳥とか。
どうも、ありがとうございました。2人やったらすぐ行けますよ。
Ito, ang cute to. Di nice mo yung video. Imagine eating here. beside the river. Meron ka na napusuan di. Ito na yung dulo. Ito may nakapilaw. Dito tayo sa may mga nakapilaw. Ayan. So, until here lang. Ito may mga nakapilaw. Kata ramen. Kata ramen. Ito ang juice. Coke. Ayan. Hot tea. Ito. Hot tea nito. Nalalamig. Yeah. Ano? Good? Try it, baby. You don't want to try? Ako, I want to try it. Gyoza. I have to. You have toyo there. Ito ang mga chopsticks nila dito sa Yatay. Ang menu. Stir fry curry, sausage, and chicken skin. Ano ba itong chicken skin? Chicken skin. Try it.
Be careful with your
緑のつくねですね。ご紹介されてます。
Hot? Parang isaw. Yeah. Parang isaw. Ang sarap na yun to. No, parang siyang pasit kanto na curry. Ang sarap ng sausage. Hot ba yung pag-inaybat mo? The food is good. You like the food, anak? You know? Punta kayo dito sa Fukuoka. Kain kayo dito. Masarap. Ayan siya. Masarap yung sausage, yung curry, stir-fry ramen, gyoza, and the chicken skin. It's so good. So, after eating sa Yatay stalls, it's a must try. Ang sarap ng food nila. And mabilis lang din yung service kasi nga mabilisan. What can you say, anak?
It's good, but you have to rush a bit while you're eating, so you can't like truly savor the food that much.
Yeah, we need to, see, there's a line, so we have to be sensitive to the next people who will eat. Welcome to Fukuoka. So we're going back. We're walking again. And look at my new shoes. Tabi lang ako. My new shoes from Gio. It's ballet flats. Sobrang lambot nito. Recommended by my friend Pipay. Sobrang ganda. Ayan, may mga cute na naman. Ito, ang cute, oh. Cute na cute ako sa mga maliliit na ganito. Diba? Ang cute. Mas marami dito mga, ano, flower pot. Kasi parang Fukuoka is the flower, flower city. Ayan. Daiwa Roynet Hotel. No? Ang cute nga. Ito, oh. Ang cute, oh.
Ito siya nagpatayo ng building.
Oo. Kakaiba siya.
Nagawa niya business.
sila. Ano ba tawag sa ganyan?
Taxidermy.
Yeah, taxidermy. Daimaru, Mitsukoshi.
No, where are we?
Okay, we're going to 7-Eleven. Mitsukoshi. Okay, so where is that? Oh my gosh, this is my favorite pancake of all time. I'm gonna get one. You want this, Milo? For tomorrow. Oh, Mami, gusto ka? Yeah, my favorite. I'll bring home like 100 of this. Char. You want ba? You want this one too? Oh, you get na. Di. Nandis, dalawa daw. Tag-isa kami. Ikaw, Di. Anong gusto mo? Ganito din? Tatlo na. And try na natin yan today. White ganache and chocolate ice cream bar. This looks good. Ito, white ganache and chocolate ice cream bar. My favorite pancake of all time. Did Okay, let's do a 7-Eleven haul. Okay, so we got here. What's this? Twist donuts. But I want to eat this now. No? Let's try this. And we also have my favorite pancake. Na nag-uuwi pa ako nito sa Pinas. Yan. So good. Sana magkaroon tayo yan. And then, bumili rin ako nito. Maganda to sa legs. Pagod sa mga pagod. And then, Milo's ice cream. Masarap to. Baby, you wanna eat your ice cream now? Okay. Sabay mo na nga tong Yakult D. And also, some bananas. Yeah, and then I got the brulee.
I'm back.
We will try this now.
For a bit.
And then we also got this matcha chocolate ice bar. This for you? This for that. And what else do we have here? That's it. And then, bumalik lang kami sa drugstore because maganda tong brand na to, U-Skin. So, bumili kami ng para sa lips kasi minsan nagsusugat yung lips nila. And also, lip balm for dry. So, maganda tong brand na to, in fairness. Tsaka ko na i-haul yung mga napamili ko sa mall ha, kasi I'm so tired. Thank you so much. Okay, tatry na natin tong brulee. Sabi nila masarap daw to. Let's see. I'll try it now. Huwag niyo pansinin to, nakahanger yung jacket ni Milo. Okay, this is it. This is really it is. Tikman muna natin yung puti lang, yung ice cream lang. Masarap siya. Ito naman nasa taas. Hala, ang sarap. Mas masarap to. Ang perfect nito. Totoo nga ang chismis. Ang sarap nga to. Oh my gosh. Araw-arawin na to. Yes. Bye.